Okay, so this is today I show you the pilot silver permanent marker. So this is a permanent marker that it's kind of a paint marker, and it's 1 millimeter. The size is 1 millimeter, and you can make all sorts of designs with it. And to use it, to start, shake well with the cap on, take the cap off, fully depress the tip slowly 2-3 times, allowing the tip to return to the normal position. This action should have now opened the seal. There is a seal supposedly inside of it. After use, ensure the cap is replaced. Keep out of reach of children. And Pilot Corporation of Europe.eu. That's the barcode. Okay, so I have the Stedler pigment. I have the Stedler or Stedler, I think it's Stedler pigment liner 0.2. I like this one a lot. It's really working perfectly. And I have here a pair of headphones, and I just want to try to write something on it. Okay, so it's written. But look what happens. Okay. I guess this will be okay eventually, but I have permanent markers and they will be fine. The reason why I wanted to buy this silver one is because with this permanent marker or any marker, you can write like this. I can see it, but I'm not sure if you can see it. So yeah, and this will look better because if I write on a black surface, it's not gonna show very well. So let's see the contents. This was open, or maybe no. Hopefully not opened. Oh, there is a interesting. Is to prevent leaks. So you have there is this plastic seal. Nothing else here in the box. What box? It's just a, how it's called, this clamshell. It's a shell packing. Clamshell packing still uses plastic. So the actual marker is protected it's kept within this seal. So if it does leak, there is a ball inside. You have to shake it. It's like any regular paint marker. So Pilot Super Color Permanent Type Ink, and then silver. I like how it's written, silver, really nice. Contains no xylene. I don't even know what that is, and probably I don't want to know. Okay. You must always put the cap back on, that's for sure. Okay. Shake several times, remove cap and press the tip down 3-4 times, or okay, remove the cap and press the tip down 3-4 times on scrap paper to start the ink flowing. Cap the pen tightly and keep it horizontal when not in use. So you should keep this horizontal when you don't use it. Careful with your eyes, don't give it to children, and made in Japan, and keep away. Yeah, don't burn even if it's empty. Made in Japan. Okay, Pilot, made in Japan. I like the attention to detail for this stuff. Okay, so that comes out. Simple. It feels good to touch. Doesn't feel weird. Don't know what's here. There's nothing. have to shake it. I'll use a bit of this paper just to avoid any problems. So yeah, that's really pretty thick. Now it was never used, so this one is clean, but when it starts to be used, that's what happened before. They were really coming out, too much of the ink was coming out. Maybe I didn't use it properly, but anyway, the cup is pretty easy to secure in place. Okay, let's try. So I press. Okay, 1, 2. It's really easy to press it. I like it. 3. Yeah, the ones I had from Lidl, they were not so good. This one is much better. But there is no ink flowing. Okay. I see some. It's changing the color there. It's changing the... I see it's changing the color now. Still not writing, but I see... Okay. Oh. Wow, so much better than the little ones. Pilot forever. Okay. So I'll write on these headphones. Okay. It's silver. Yeah, it's looking, and it feels really precise. I'm not gonna wipe it, I don't want to ruin it. But let's see on the paper. So I write once and then wipe. And there is a bit of this silver stuff. It doesn't smell like paint. I guess that's why they were calling it like that. So I will write something here. I'll write something there. I'll put something there, Ion. Forgot how to write. Okay. So I wrote something there. That's what I got it for. I wanted to write some things like I'll put something here. I guess it's some kind of watermark, but you see some of this stuff is coming out, and we'll see now how we can remove it from this material. It's really coming out. I have alcohol, I have 70%, I have 90% alcohol here. Now I wanna see if it can remove it. It's really solid. So yeah, looks like these things are here to stay. I think you can remove it if you really want to do it a lot. But yeah, I will put it like this. So yeah, I'll make one more at the back here. On how to, I like the style like that, and then wipe it so it's a bit faded. I guess something like this. I don't know if I made it worse, if I ruined the desk, but it's working. It's really difficult to remove, as you can see. Probably it was a bad idea to write directly on this, but it's okay. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you. I hope this helps you see if this is the right permanent marker for you. I really think it's a good one. The color especially, it's really nice, silvery, and it doesn't smell like paint. It doesn't have that powerful paint smell. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you choose a permanent marker. It's almost like glowing in the dark. It's not glowing in the dark, but almost.